Hey everyone, my name is Daniel Woodcock and this is my step-by-step guide to using the Commsec Pocket app. When you open the app, you'll be greeted by the home screen, which if you have already invested, will look something like this. This page will show you your current portfolio value, how much your portfolio has increased in dollar and percentage amount. Personally, I only use this app to invest in the Tech Savvy ETF, which is the BetaShares NASDAQ 100 ETF, listed on the ASX as NDQ. On the My Investment page, you'll see how much I contributed, when my last investment was, my average purchase price, and the current price that the ETF is trading at. It shows how many units I own and the percentage allocation of my Commsec Pocket portfolio. So now going to the fund overview, you can see the current price of $26.75 per unit. And on this page, you'll get a brief description of the fund. It will show you some of the companies that you're invested in. Most of these are well-known companies such as Apple, Google, and Amazon. It also shows your industry coverage. And the graph at the bottom of the page shows the historical prices. As you can see, over the past 1, 2, and 3 years, the fund has performed very well. This is one of the reasons that this ETF has a high percentage allocation in my portfolio. On this graph shown here, you can see the historic prices from the past 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 5 year, or all time. Back on the 1st of April 2016, this fund was trading at just over $10, and as we move forward in time, you'll see the price jump significantly, up to a high of $28.95 on the 19th of February 2021. Now before we go into the step to invest, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to stay up to date. On the fund overview page, you'll see the invest button in the bottom right corner. Clicking this button takes you to the next page where you'll set your maximum investment amount. The available balance of $2,540.46 is the amount of money I have in my Commonwealth CDIA account. This fund requires a minimum investment of $59. All the funds have different minimum investment amounts. So with this investment transaction, I want to invest all of my available balance. And if you'd like to, you can also set up as a regular investment. When you're happy with the amount, click the next button. On this page, you'll see how the transaction is handled, my maximum investment amount, the fee I have to pay, the price of the units, and how many units I'll be buying, which give me an estimated cost of $2,518.59. This is an estimate based on the last traded price. If you are investing when the market is closed, the amount of units may be different, as the price may change when the market opens, but it will never invest more than your maximum investment amount. If you're happy with this amount, click the invest button and then confirm the transaction. And that's it, you're done. This transaction, because it was a higher dollar amount, will be placed immediately. If you are doing micro investing, the amount will be added to other micro investors and bought in one transaction by Commsec and then divided up to the individual investors. The money will be debited from your account in 2 business days after the trade. When you buy or sell ETFs or shares, settlement of stock and cash happen 2 business days after all the trades. This is known as a T+2 settlement. Now going back to the home screen, it shows the current value of my portfolio has increased, but you'll notice the value increase in dollar and percentage amount has dropped. That is because my average buy-in price has now increased, which has lowered my overall gains. Now clicking on the Tech Savvy button brings me to my investment page, which you have seen before, with the updated values. Here we can view our transaction history. And this here is my first investment using the Commsec Pocket app. I put a limit of $1,500 in. I bought 71 units of the BetaShares NASDAQ 100 ETF. I bought when the price was $20.83 with a fee of only $2.96. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel to learn more about investing and personal finance, and I'll see you guys on the next one.